Alright, we're going to shoot this aluminum pan. We're going to start out with the Benjamin Armada, then go to the AirForce Condor. We're probably going to shoot it at the factory setting first. Then we're going to crank it up all the way up. And then we're going to go to the Hatsan Hercules Bully in 30 cal. And all these will be shooting the Poly Predator mag. Alright, this is the Benjamin Marauder. Alright, that one was a Benjamin Marauder with the PolyMag. Put a pretty good dent in it. The next one's going to be the AirForce Condor. Alright, this is the AirForce Condor at factory setting. Alright. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, that went clean through on the factory setting, so there's no point in shooting it at the highest power. So next we'll do the 30 cal. Alright, here's the Hatsan Bully 30 cal. Alright, here's the Hatsan Bully 30 cal. Like it pretty much went through it with no problem at all. Alright, this is fathertimenc. Just want to kind of show you the difference between these three guns. Benjamin Armada 25 caliber, AirForce Condor 25 caliber, and the Hatsan Hercules Bully 30 cal, all shooting the same pellet. The Predator PolyMag, and you kind of see the difference. The Benjamin Armada is accurate, but it just lacks power. It's enough power to kill, of course, small game. The AirForce Condor 25 caliber, you can see at the factory setting, it went right through the aluminum pan, and still got quite a ways to crank it up, and it's plenty accurate too, especially with the PolyMags. PolyMags seem to be pretty much accurate, and most, all three of these are pretty accurate. And from what I've seen on YouTube, they do pretty good in most guns. And then you got the Hatsan Hercules Bully 30 cal. And it went straight through it too with no problem, so you can kind of see the power these things have. And the size, definitely see the size hole of 30 cal, I believe, so they do a pretty good job. If you need a little bit more power than the Armada, you got, any of these two, and there's plenty of other ones. The Armada is really accurate. Of course, the Condor is too. It's just single shot, but it loads really easy as a single shot. It's not like some, or if you have a magazine fed one where you're trying to load it single, some of them will be a pain. The AirForce line, they're really pretty easy to load. It doesn't take that much time. Alright guys, this is all I got for today. Get at you later. Alright guys, if you can, there's one of the PolyMags right there. That's the from the Benjamin. You see it put a good sized dent in it. The other two went through. The Armada almost went through. See them, some pretty clean holes. So overall, not a bad job. Of course, that's the Predator PolyMag out of the Armada, the Benjamin. It took most of the energy out because the pan stretched. It almost went through. I mean, it's, I don't know if you can see the daylight right there. There you go. It cracked the pan. It just, if you had this thing set off to get a little bit more power out of it, I got it cranked up. I mean, as much as you can pretty much do it on your own. But if you had it sent off and had it tuned and you know, had more power put to it, definitely send one through this pan with no problem. And you can kind of see how much that stretched out. So definitely, this is a pretty good thick pan. And then this was shot at from 8 yards. So if you're shooting, you know, squirrel or whatever from 8 yards, probably 50 yards, yeah, this is going to do some real damage. Alright, just thought I'd bring you this, kind of show the power of these guns in 25 caliber. These are all PCPs. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see anything else, just my camera over there automatically shutting off. If you want to see anything else shot, just let me know. I'll try to get to it. Alright. Later guys.